Dad, you have a transformer car.
Okay, go ahead and tell them what's inside. How many cars inside? Go and count it.
Yeah, because
Actually, it's a flip cars.
look at this.
Wow, that's high tech. Oh yeah. Go and flip it around the other side. That was a black color, so when you flip it, it's gonna become blue and yellow.
And black.
Go and line them up here next to each other. Go to the other one.
That's super fast. What is that there?
Go and pick up the one that's
Ow!
Go and line them up together. It's okay. Macho. Say welcome
Why is this
to
again?
my show.
Wait. Car.
Yeah, it's a car.
Cars. Here's my face maker. First. Swimming pool or something.
For my car wash.
For my car wash.
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels.
Yay.
Yay. This pretty.
Mark,
What's in ball?
you should know how to wear your sunglasses, okay?
Give Micah one glass.
Go and put the sunglasses, please.
Wait, I'm trying to put this.
Give Micah the green glass. You just have to
Mark,
bend it.
all you need to do is find your stuff. That's a bracelet.
Wow, there's a
That's
cheese
a-
inside.
That's a liquid stuff.
I like it.
Happy New Year.
I like this.
Happy New Year. Mark, I'm gonna show you how to use the sunglasses, okay? Because the last time
You broke it. I like it.
Come on, let's go. We're gonna open another box.
Minecraft
Non-stop.
Munchies.
Okay? Non-stop today.
Minecraft Munchies.
Oh, don't do that, boy. See the screen? Touch it, that's one. He wants to play with this. Macho. Fell over. Go and pick it up. Pick it up inside. Come on. Clean up.
I would just. We're sorry. Put no. Put no. Put no. Put yes. Put no. Put no.
But I want you how to play with your brother.
Just a lot of toys, man.
One straight
You
away.
can see a lot of toys right there.
Oh, it's your toy. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, it's so painful. Oh,
Go and spill it.
big walk. Wanting to go. This is just nothing. Snake. Snake. Got my tree. This is my older trees. Older trees.
Wow, Roblox.
Also, it's all my trees going. So
So many trees.
Me? Why is the
Welcome to the jungle.
cool? Place and spin.
Say yay.
What's this?
What are you doing?
Matthew, go get the Roblox. Right down there.
Hey, you get the Roblox, boy. Tiger. Alright, this is a hippopotamus, tiger, elephant, giraffe, puma, zebra.